Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Deda Latifah. I'm student at IKIP Siliwangi. My number is 220045. I made this video to submit my final project on evaluating crossbook. This video is about evaluating crossbook based on Canningsworth theory. An analysis of the English textbook English SMP MTS Grade 7. Source data analysis from crossbook is from book English SMP MTS Grade 7, publisher Bumi Aksara, and writer is Atik Isnaini. The third slide is about a table content of this video or overview. This video is will explain about introduction and literature review and research method, result, discussion, and conclusion. Introduction, the background of the research. The first one is a burning issue. The textbook are regarded as essential component of the teaching English. And the second is about problem of the research to determine the extent to which this book is suitable for use at the 7th grade level. The next one is a brief review of the relevant literatures. Textbook analysis and evaluation help teachers to improve the textbook and help to them to gain useful insight into the basic of the material. Talk 2010. Crossbook analysis help teachers to determine the extent to which the crossbook is suitable for the learning objective that have been set. That include material presentation, level of difficulty, and relevant to student needs. Canningsworth 1995. Let's move to other slide. It's about the aim of the research to evaluate English textbook for junior high school for the 7th grade and title English SMP MTS grade 5. Research question: to what extent does the English textbook fulfill the criteria of a good English textbook based on Canningsworth theories? Part 2 about literature review. The first is definition of a textbook. Canningsworth 1995. Textbook is a research in achieving aims and objectives that have already been set in terms of learner needs. In short, textbook is a teaching aid which covers some material and integrated skill in order to attain the learning objective. Let's move to criteria of a good crossbook. Proposed by Lee, 1975, a teacher should be aware of the following points when selecting a good English textbook. They are: the first is about textbook should not give long grammatical explanation. List of words to be learned in translation and exercise from for translation from the native language is English and vice versa. The second is should give example of sentences consisting or containing the structure to be taught. The third is it should lead student to the translation type of learning. The structure and vocabulary of the text should be attached to real situation, and it should have cartoon and natural dialogue as many as possible so that learning become more stimulating for the learners. Other criteria a good textbook is come from Romero, 1975, suggests a good quality English textbook as below. A good textbook should be introduced in series from beginner to highers, from easy to highers, and the second is too much text on a page, and the third is good crossbook. The lesson should be short and well organized, and also exercise should be short, never more than 10 or 15 items of the same type, and the textbook should include in short dialogues, and also the textbook should have attainable aims. And the last from Romero, a good criteria of good textbook is should have a teacher's manual. Other criteria of a good crossbook is come from Mariani, 1980, recommended the following suggestion for choosing an English textbook, such as the textbook should convey general impression to the teachers, and also the layout of lesson or unit should influence in utilization of the book in the classroom, and also a textbook should have illustration, be decorative, and serve a specific purpose. The object of reasonable should be studied clearly, and also the content of the textbook should reflects to the need and interest, and also the textbook should start to develop language skill like reading skill, speaking skill, writing skill, and also listening skill. The textbook should create for interest, motivation, and variety in teaching situation. The textbook should motivate students to read and comprehend in overall parts. And the last from Mariani, that criteria of a good crossbook is should provide teacher with a system of detailed testing scale. Textbook evaluation by Canningsworth theory is divided into 6. The first is about aim and approaches, and design and organization, and language content, skill topic, and the last is about method. Research method. This research uses descriptive qualitative research with data source. English SMPMTS Grade 7, a module used by student Grade 7. The book was written by Atik Isnaini and published by Bumi Aksara, which has consisted of 210 pages and divided into 8 chapters. This formula from Canningsworth to evaluation crossbook English SMPMTS Grade 7. The aim and approaches. The table show that the aim and approach of the textbook is very good. The aim of the crossbook is related with teaching program and with the need of the learners. It is in line with the statement of Romero, 1975, that a good textbook should have attainable aims. And part B is design and organization. The table show that design and organization of the textbook is very good. It can be seen from this textbook, it sequence appropriately. The design of the crossbook is very good. It is in line with the statement of Romero that a lesson should be short and well organized. The third is about language content. The table showed that the language content of the textbook is very good. The content of the coursebook with example of sentences, it is in line with the statement of Lee, 1475. The textbook should give example. The next part is about skill. Skill in this textbook is very good. It is conclude all of English skill, such as reading, speaking, listening, and also writing of English skill. It is in line with Mariani's statement in 1980 that a good textbook should start to develop language skill. In the topic of this book, the table show that the topic of the textbook is good. It can be seen from there is a vast amount of material of unique interest available to the learners. It is in line with the statement of Mariani, 1980, that the content of the textbook should reflect student needs and interests. The last is about methodology. The sequence of the textbook show that the methodology of the textbook is good. The methodology of the crossbook have features, and it is in line with Lee, 1975, that the textbook should have a cartoon. Finally, in conclusion, based on the result and this discussion, it can be concluded that textbook English SMPMTS Grade 7 is considered a good English a very good English textbook based on Canningsworth 1995 textbook evaluation checklist in several aspects. Its terms of purpose and approach, design and organization, language content, skill, topic, and methodology. The textbook conforms the criteria of a good textbook. Alright, that's all from me. Thanks for nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.